we're here at Shoe Healer in Doncaster and we've got a pair of Doc Martens in, and it's just a little job. I thought I'd show you what we're doing, just a little bit of something different. This is what you get in a cobbler's shop, jobs like this. This is a pair of Doc Martens and the tongue has been pulled and it's ripped. You can see it's a half bellows tongue. If ever you're wondering what that term means, bellows tongue, it's got this lining in, so the tongue goes all the way up and it comes up and stitches on the back of the facing. This is a facing, so this is a half bellows tongue. Some shoes, boots, have a full bellows tongue all the way up, but sometimes that causes a bit of a ridge at the top and it can be a little bit uncomfortable. So this lady has pulled on this tongue, pulled it up, and it's ripped, so we're going to do a repair. So it's not really going to be seen, but what we're going to do is I'm going to take the glue brush and I'm going to carefully glue the edge of this this leather, and I'm going to carefully piece it back together until that is all back together and we just get left with a faint line. Can you see that there? Just a faint line. And then when we've glued that in place, we don't really want to stitch it. So what I'm going to do is take a bit of webbing, a bit of material, and stick it to the back. A really big piece of webbing across the back so that we don't have to stitch it, so that from the front it looks nice and tidy. So we'll do that, stick all that back together. It's just one of the jobs that we do here at the Shoe Healer. That job's going to be round about £15 for the time and effort it takes. But once it's done, we will let the customer take that, not stitched, see how she gets on with it, and if ever it starts to come away again, she can bring it back in and we can stitch it. But we'd sooner not stitch it. The webbing on the back would be better. What you could actually do, if you had some super tough, super strong gaffer tape, is put a piece of it at the back there and press all this down to it, and that would probably be a DIY repair. I'm quite into this DIY repair. I'd like to see what we can do for the DIY repair. I've got some good ideas. Okay, just my first job this morning at the Shoe Healer. So Paul, just turn Bonnie off a little bit, will you? Turn Bonnie Tyler off as much as I want to listen to her. We get into trouble for it. So I'm just running a bit of glue into the edge of that leather and a bit of glue so it doesn't matter if we get any glue on the front of this patent leather, because it will just rub off. With this glue, everywhere's got to be a little bit porous. When it grips great. So if we just put a blob of glue there, we'll see how that comes off once it's dried. Right, okay, so all those edges glued, and then we'll stick that together and we'll move on from there. Okie dokie, so the next step, let's zoom out a little bit. Oh, that's the wrong way. That's it. So the next step is, look, just to show you, this is the glue. If it's not porous, the glue just comes off like that, and it doesn't leave any sort of. So that's, if it's not a porous edge, it won't soak in this glue, it just wipes off. So now then, what we're going to do is just piece this back together. Piece it back together. Alright, buddy. Remember, all this is underneath the facings, so it's not going to be seen, is it, Paul? Not going to be seen. Go on, stick together there, that's it. That's it, stick together there. Okay. So that there is stuck together. As it's ripped, it's actually stretched the leather a little bit. So that's together there, fastened together, and then we'll put a piece of material on the back, piece of webbing, and then wipe off all the glue at the front. Go on, get together. And then try not to stitch it and see how she turns out. those Doc Martens have all been done. This is another pair that's coming, and I'm doing a repair, exactly the same repair on this one here. Look straight across. I'm using a light piece of webbing on the back of this one, and then we'll rub all this glue off. That one's gone, and this one's started to go, so I've just glued it together, and I'll put a little patch on that one. So I don't know what it is with all these Doc Martens, but the tongue on them, as soon as anybody just gives it a little bit of a pull, starts to rip. So I don't know if it's happening to yours, but we're getting so many of them in at the moment. But they do, once they're done and they're all laced up, you can hardly tell that they've been repaired.